Hello and welcome to a new podcast called English Step by Step. If you want to learn another language, the best thing you can do is to learn the language, not translation. If you learn through translation from Czech to English or the other way around, you will only be good at Chenglish. Your mind will keep translating. However, if you surround yourself with English as the only language, you will soon learn to understand. Once you understand, you will spontaneously start talking. And you will sound great. And you will become fluent because you don't have to think about the language. And so today we begin our journey with a new story. The first episode is called The New Neighbor. Let's start.
This is Marie. Marie lives in a small, cozy house. She has a big window. She looks out of the window. Marie says,
"It's a sunny day. The sky is blue. The birds are singing."
Marie sees a moving truck. The truck is big and yellow. It stops next to the house next door.
Oh, a new neighbor.
A man gets out of the truck. He is tall. He has brown hair. He looks around. Marie smiles. She is friendly. She wants to say hello to the new neighbor.
I will go outside. I will say hello to him.
Marie goes to her door. She opens the door. She walks through the house next door. Marie stands in front of John's house. Marie stands in front of the house. She waits.
Hello? I am Marie. Welcome to our street.
John turns around. He sees Marie. He smiles.
Hello, Marie. I am John. Thank you for your welcome.
What will happen next? Will Marie and John become friends? Listen to our next episode to find out. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next episode.